Welcome back to Car Wow 787, your trusted source for the latest insights and reviews in the world of innovative travel solutions. Today, we're thrilled to introduce a groundbreaking concept that's set to revolutionize the way we think about compact travel: the 2026 Tricycle RV Camper. This fusion of mobility and comfort offers a unique approach to adventure on the open road. Join us as we delve deep into the features, design, and potential impact of this remarkable vehicle. In recent years, the travel industry has witnessed a surge in demand for compact, eco-friendly, and versatile travel solutions. Addressing this demand, the 2026 Tricycle RV Camper emerges as a pioneering concept that seamlessly combines the agility of a tricycle with the amenities of a recreational vehicle. This innovative design caters to solo travelers and minimalists seeking freedom without compromising on essential comforts. The exterior of the 2026 Tricycle RV Camper presents a harmonious blend of functionality and modern aesthetics. Its streamlined body is designed to minimize air resistance, enhancing fuel efficiency and performance. The compact dimensions allow for effortless navigation through both urban landscapes and winding country roads, making it an ideal companion for diverse travel scenarios. The front showcases a sleek, aerodynamic fairing that houses LED headlights, providing optimal illumination while adding to the vehicle's contemporary appeal. The body is constructed using lightweight, durable materials, ensuring longevity without sacrificing performance. Large side windows not only contribute to the vehicle's sleek profile but also offer panoramic views, enriching the travel experience. Despite its compact size, the interior of the 2026 Tricycle RV Camper is thoughtfully designed to maximize space and comfort. The cabin features a multifunctional layout that seamlessly transitions between a sleeping area, kitchenette, and workspace. Ergonomically designed seating with high-quality upholstery ensures comfort during long journeys. The sleeping area accommodates a comfortable bed that can be folded away when not in use, optimizing space. The kitchenette is equipped with essential appliances, including a compact stove, sink, and refrigeration unit, allowing travelers to prepare meals on the go. Ample storage compartments are strategically placed to house personal belongings and travel essentials. At the heart of the 2026 Tricycle RV Camper lies an efficient powertrain engineered for both performance and environmental consciousness. The vehicle is powered by a hybrid system that combines a fuel-efficient internal combustion engine with an electric motor, offering a balance between power and eco-friendliness. This setup ensures reduced emissions and lower fuel consumption, aligning with global sustainability trends. The tricycle chassis is designed for stability and agility, featuring a low center of gravity that enhances handling and safety. The suspension system is tuned to absorb road imperfections, providing a smooth ride across various terrains. With the focus on efficiency, the vehicle offers an impressive range, making it suitable for both short trips and extended journeys. Embracing modern technology, the 2026 Tricycle RV Camper is equipped with a suite of features designed to enhance the travel experience. The driver's cockpit boasts a digital instrument cluster that provides real-time data on speed, fuel levels, and navigation. An integrated infotainment system offers connectivity options, including Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, ensuring travelers remain connected even in remote locations. Safety is paramount, and the vehicle includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features work in unison to provide a secure and stress-free driving experience. In an era where environmental concerns are at the forefront, the 2026 Tricycle RV Camper stands out for its commitment to sustainability. The hybrid powertrain significantly reduces carbon emissions compared to traditional RVs, making it an eco-friendly choice for conscious travelers. Additionally, the vehicle's compact size results in a smaller ecological footprint, both in terms of manufacturing and on-road impact. The introduction of the 2026 Tricycle RV Camper addresses a niche yet growing market segment of travelers seeking compact, efficient, and versatile vehicles that offer the freedom of the open road without the bulk of traditional RVs. Its unique design and feature set position it competitively against other microcampers and compact RVs, offering a fresh perspective on mobile living. The 2026 Tricycle RV Camper represents a bold step forward in the evolution of compact travel solutions. By merging the agility of a tricycle with the comforts of a recreational vehicle, it offers a unique proposition for modern travelers. Its emphasis on efficiency, sustainability, and innovative design makes it a compelling choice for those seeking new adventures without compromising on comfort or environmental responsibility. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2026 Tricycle RV Camper. We hope this step dive has provided valuable insights into how this innovative vehicle is set to transform the landscape of compact travel. If you found this content informative, please like, share, and subscribe to your channel name for more in-depth analyses and updates on the latest advancements in travel technology. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified of our future uploads. Until next time, travel smart and embrace the journey.